Hello everyone. On November 13, 2022 at 2:54 a.m., the plainclothes policemen were at Taylor Avenue right about here. The car was parked right there. And the officer was about 60 feet from the car right about here with his body camera. And the second officer hit the remote control to lock the car, and you can hear the horn beep 4 times. And here is 1330 Linda Lane, and that dot right below that would be where the camera would be. So you can see it's about 360 feet difference right there. And just so you know, this here is 1122 King Road. So this here's the pathway to leave right here, and those police car was right here. And now we'll go to the police cam. You can see here's the date, 11/13/22, 2:54 a.m. and 18 seconds. So when this turns 23 seconds, you'll hear a horn beep twice, and then it'll turn to 24 seconds, you'll hear it again. Here we go.
Moscow PD. Hey, is that beer? What's up? Is that beer in your hand? Yeah, I'm 20.
Okay, there's those beeps. Now we'll go to Linda Lane, and here's the same date, 11/13/22, 2:54 a.m., 2:21, 21 seconds, I mean. So now it's actually going to beep, instead of at 23 and 24 seconds, it'll be 24 and 25 seconds. Here goes. Listen good. Okay. Now the reason it's a second late is because it's 360 feet. The speed of sound is 761 feet per second. So it took approximately, and of course it was cold that night, and that affects the speed of sound. It slows down in cold. And Moscow's elevation is about 2,600 feet, so it slows down a little bit. Anyhow, it's approximately a half a second. So that's, in my opinion, the body cam timestamp and the Linda Lane camera timestamp are identical. They match each other perfectly, and the bell tower is off by 2 minutes. Well, that's it for now, folks. Thank you.